Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks helps you pay your contractors electronically with direct deposit. You can either sign up for QuickBooks Payroll and pay both contractors and employees, or sign up for an option to only pay contractors with direct deposit. Let's go over how to set up direct deposit and the steps to pay your contractors in QuickBooks. To start, you'll need at least one contractor on your contractors page. You can set up contractors in two ways. If you've already set someone up as a vendor and you want to pay them with direct deposit as a contractor, open the vendors list and select their name. Note that your navigation may look like this. Then edit the vendor and select the checkbox to track payments for 1099. Then select Save. This puts the vendor on the contractors page. If you haven't already set them up on the vendors list, you can add them directly to the contractors list. Check out this video to learn how. Note that your navigation may look like this. If you've set up QuickBooks Online Payroll, you're ready to add your contractor's bank info and start paying them. We'll go over how to do that in a bit. For this example, we'll show what to do if you don't have QuickBooks Payroll. To start paying contractors with direct deposit, follow this link. After you've signed up for contractor direct deposits, it's time to set up your banking information. Select Get Started. Answer any questions and select Done. Then select Let's Go. Select the Business section. Then enter info about your business. Then enter information about the owner of the business or principal officer. The principal officer is an authorized signer on the business bank account. Enter their name, address, birthday, and social security number. Then enter your banking info. The fastest way to connect your bank account is to select your bank or search for it, and then sign in with your online banking username and password. If you don't have that info, or can't find your bank in the list, you can manually enter your routing and bank account numbers. Select Accept and Submit. If you entered your bank info manually, or you didn't get the message that QuickBooks connected your bank account, you'll need to wait for Intuit to make a test deposit to your bank account within 2 business days. After 2 business days, check your bank account for the 2 amounts. Sign into QuickBooks, then go to Payroll Overview, and select Let's Go. Then verify your account. Enter the 2 amounts you see in your bank account, and select Verify. Now you can pay your contractors with direct deposit. To pay a contractor, go to the Contractors page. QuickBooks may need more info before you can pay a contractor with direct deposit though. Select Finish Setup and Pay. If you have their W-9 and banking info on hand, select Add Info manually. Or enter their email address and then select Request. QuickBooks sends them an email with instructions on how to submit banking info. Let's pay a contractor with direct deposit. If you have an open bill with the contractor, QuickBooks will ask if you want to pay the bill or create a new expense. In this case, let's enter a new expense. Enter the amount you want to pay them. An account, usually this should be an expense or cost of goods sold account. A description for your own records. And if this is a payment for work on a specific customer or project, select it from the Customer drop-down menu. If you're paying them for multiple jobs or expenses, select Add Payment to split the expense. Select the bank account you're using to pay them, and the date you're paying them. Then select Pay. Select View Last Payment to look at past payments you've made to the contractor. Now you're ready to pay your contractors with direct deposit.